we gotta talk about the new NYX Buttermelt Pressed Powder Blushes. There are 12 shades. They cost $10. They're so affordable and you get such a variety. There are mainly more vibrant colors. I end up choosing 4. This last one, which I think is more of a terracotta, is more of a neutral. But for the most part, they're very vibrant, just perfect for summer. I'm a little late to the game. I just haven't had the chance to show you guys these on camera. I just got back from my bachelorette trip. So if you've seen that video, then you already know. If you haven't, definitely check it out. It's a longer video, fashion related. And then of course, check out my Instagram for more content. These 3 shades right here, just perfect. And I purposely wore a colorful dress and earrings to go with the whole look. I'm so excited. You guys already know I love their bronzer. I did put a little bit on the forehead. This one is number 2, all butted up. Really nice. I also have shade 3, but I think it's just a little too dark for me. Now that I have more of a tan, this is still working. And I think the other one, if I remember correctly, is just a little too red for me. I knew I wanted this shade. This one is number 3, Sooner the Butta Tangerine with Glowy Shimmer. Now, not all of them have a shimmer. It's very slight. Honestly, I don't think you can see too much of it. It's subtle. It does have a smell. This one smells like oranges. I think they all smell different because if I'm thinking of the bronzer doesn't smell like oranges. No, the bronzer smells like coconutty, very vacation-y. Let's go in with this one. So I did not set the skin since I have to show you guys the other ones. Look at that. I love a good tangerine orangey blush. Now, of course, you can build it up. You see a little bit of sheen, but it's not sparkly. For the other side, I'm going to put it on number 4, You Know Butta. This is a coral with gold glowy shimmer. I've been really into these coral peachy tones. I don't think I've tried this one yet. I just haven't had the opportunity. Ooh. So this one is definitely more pinky. Sometimes I have corals that pull more orangey. This one pulls more pink. This one also smells like the other one, so I guess the blushes have a different scent than the bronzers. So far, both of these I'm really enjoying. I definitely lean more towards the tangerine. That's like my safe place. But I think this summer I'm going to explore more of this corally pink. We thought Sooner the Butta was a bright orange. Not even close. This one is number 5, Had Butta. This is a vivid hot orange. I definitely have to be light-handed with this one. So this one is different than the other 2 that I spoke about just because this has no shimmer. I'm just gonna start very light. So I can wear this. I just have to go light-handed. I think if you have a darker skin tone than me, you won't have to be as careful. But I can still make it work. This one's definitely a more vibrant, fiery orange, but I still really like it. And the last one I'll be trying on is number 9, Feeling Butta. This is a warm, glowy terracotta. So definitely more of a neutral. I love my terracotta shades, whether it's makeup or clothing. So pretty. Now this, which I don't think I've tried, doesn't look like I have. It's definitely more bronzy. Another shade that I have to be careful with. We'll just start lighter and then work our way up. This shade is going to give me that sunburnt look, or what's been trending on TikTok since I've been back on it. That like boyfriend blush look, if I'm doing that correctly, but I think it's like lower here, like the lower half of your face is where you apply it. But as far as shade wise, I feel like this is giving boyfriend blush. And this one has shimmer. So out of all the 4 blushes that I have, 3 of them have shimmer. It's definitely giving I'm sunburned. I just realized I have nothing on my lips besides lip balm when I was applying the base makeup. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So I'm just going to do a mix of both so both sides look a little more even. So we're gonna apply terracotta one to this side. It's getting a little dark. Like on camera it doesn't look too bad, but in person I would need to tone it down. Since we're here, let's just add some powder. This one's from Laura Mercier, just to see how it looks. Powder on, and it'll help bring down that shine that I have. Already so much better. Even the blush looks less strong. Now I feel like the makeup look is complete. I know this video is all about NYX, but I just have to mention these, and I will have them linked down below. The Urban Decay Wild Dipper, so pretty. This could be a great wedding eyeshadow, so I'm considering this one. Lips, I just rediscovered this one on my table. This one is the Unleashia Non-Sticky Dazzle Tint in number 11. Goes really nicely with the blush and also my earring. I've been hearing people talk about this more recently. Like I've been watching a lot of people's vlogs. They've been mentioning Sweed, their Pro Lash Lift Mascara. Now I've tried their other mascara, which I'm loving, but I never got the chance to explore this one. And then once I saw some other YouTubers talk about it, I was like, you know what, let me try it. And my lashes look so good, lifted. Now I did pair it with my favorite primer, so that is helping it. So I will have to try it on its own. But so far, this really dark brown brown is really pretty. That's what I'm wearing on the face. I am so happy with these blushes. Every shade that I picked out, perfect. Colors that I will actually wear throughout this whole entire summer. They're so fun, saturated. You'll definitely find something you'll like. I love a good powder blush. I'm so glad they're becoming more popular now. We're seeing more of them from brands. I love powder blushes, especially someone who has oily skin, textured skin. This is a must. These will definitely be included in my next drugstore video, like the best for maybe like summer 2024. Like I did one of like what's worth it that did really well on my channel, so I'm definitely going to do a part 2 this summer, and these will definitely be included. I hope you guys enjoyed this application process, seeing all of the different colors that I bought. I don't usually do something like this since I tend to only buy 1, maybe 2 shades max, but if you did like this video, subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. You'll be definitely seeing more drugstore makeup from me very, very soon. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!